Welcome all. In this episode of Sketch School, we will be drawing a Viking dwelling step by step. So let's begin. The first step is to research the visual material, learning the relevant unique patterns and shapes of our subject matter. Now we will study and make a note of the repeated patterns and shapes in our research, which will prove helpful later on. In the next step, we will have fun creating our own original Viking dwelling using the patterns and shapes we have learned. Now, in step 4 we will build our scene using rough thumbnails to test out composition options. Once we find a thumbnail idea we are happy with, we can spend a further bit of time trying out compositional tweaks to it, using the golden mean and the rule of thirds. In step 5 we'll take our chosen basic composition and build it a 2-point perspective grid, which we will then use to draw in the basic framework of our scene's main focal point. Now we will build on the previous step, using the medium-sized shapes to slowly get an idea of the scene's detail. We will also choose a simple light source direction. In the next step, we will draw in the small shapes where needed to complete the detail in our scene. In our final step, we'll spend more time working on the scene's lighting and add final touches to the image. This step can be very style-based, which is a personal preference. And there we have it, a drawing of a lonely Viking dwelling. If you enjoyed this episode and would like to learn more, please click the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you for watching, keep sketching, bye.